Hi, thanks for checking out this video we're putting together here. It's just a review video. It's a positive review on this one. This is a like little bitty snips and wire cutters, or whatever you want to call them. It's called Monvic MC-170. They make a bigger set called MC-180, like these. This is basically a lot bigger version of this. But the company didn't send them to us. We had we bought them and they refunded us the money. So I basically got them for free. They wanted us to try them out and see what we thought about them. So that's what we wanted to do. We've been using these both sets that they let us. We got one of each. They make big ones, smaller ones, I guess. But this is the two that we got. This is the MC-170. We bought them through Amazon. They're not expensive, like $6-7 with prime shipping. I think we paid like $15 for both of them together. It was prime shipping, it's not too bad. And I really like them. What I like about them the most is that they're really sharp, and they're a spring mechanism in there, so it pops right open real quick. So if you're snipping right along, you can just squeeze it and kind of just go along there and cut your little wires. We're just a repair shop. What we do, we're working on electric fence equipment and low bars and cattle scales and stuff for people all over the United States. We get things shipped to us all over the country. So we use these things daily, if not daily, weekly for sure. So I like them. I really don't have anything negative to say about them. They're really sharp. They cut really good, they snip real good. You don't want to do, I used it on a little bit too big of a wire, and see it's a little gouged up right there, but these things aren't made for cutting super big wire by any means. I don't know what we cut. That was probably a solid piece of copper wire, that was probably like a 10 gauge or something like that. I don't know, but it snipped it a little. It was just a little too much for it. Snipped through it. You can see it kind of damaged it a little bit, but that was our own fault. Wasn't the tool's fault. Wasn't designed for it. We should have used something like this or something else. But I like them. So if you're in the market for these things, I even saw on Amazon this, they've got like package deals where you can buy, like you can buy pack of 6, pack of 10, and you get a little bit of money off as you buy a bigger bulk, of course. But we just bought one of each, and they just reimbursed us the money for it, so we didn't really cost us anything. But I really like them. I don't have nothing really bad to say about them. So if you're looking for one, or just want an actual tool for your drawer for cutting on stuff, snipping things, whatever, I'll put a link down in the description. We won't make a penny off of it. It's just a Amazon link I'll find on Amazon. I'll copy it, paste it down there, and you click on it and buy it if you want. That's all that I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna make a penny from this, so don't think we're getting a little kickback out of it at all. So, but you just type in MC-170 wire cutter. I guess you can put that in, or maybe Monvic. Yeah, Monvic MC-170. I don't know. I don't know how they have it labeled on their Amazon deal. But well, that's all I got to really say about that. Nothing bad to say about it. It's a really good product. And until next time, we'll see you guys later.